Hey guys, good evening. My name is Ikena Victor once again, and Ikena Victor again. Actually, I skipped my surname. All right. Today I want to show you guys how to create a free Google blog. I just figured that for the new members, joining the business and then having to invest in a fully hosted website, it's going to cost you money, and a lot of people don't have that money. So I decided to create this video to show you how to use the free Google Blogger to create your own blog. The good thing about this is that if you optimize it well, it actually easily ranks on Google because the this blogger blog was created by Google. So Google kind of favors content coming from here. So quickly, without wasting much of our time, click on create a blog. First, you visit blogger.com, blogger.com. Now it's going to ask you to sign in with your Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you can create one before you jump on it. Now let me use my Afia Online email to register. Create email. So something wrong. Let's go to sign in. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Let's see. Let's see this. Okay. Create a new blog. So um the title of the blog is Longrich Business. Okay. So and I want my the address is, see, for this kind of blog that we're creating, the extension is going to be .blogspot.com. So um that is the format. But if you want to have like a .com, it's just about $10. You can upgrade. So quickly, let's go. Longrich. Let's see Longrich dot. Let's see. It's taking Longrich Business. Oops. Longrich Partner. What is available? Okay, Longrich Partner is available. So we choose a template. There are different templates. So you can just choose one of the templates and say create a blog. Straight. Alright. Congratulations, you have successfully created your first blog. Okay, now let's see what our blog looks like. So you see on inside longreachpartner.blogspot.com, but as you can see, it's very scanty. So what we have to do, I used to have this template for building sales pages with on blogger platform. I don't know. I was trying to look for it on my hard drive today. I couldn't see, but let's make do with what is available. So first you need to do is to click on new post. We want to put out some information on our blog. So let's see, blog reach business. How to get started. And let's see how to sign up, how to register. The, the one. 1,000 50 millions naira before the year. Now, before you start posting stuff, I need you to do something. You need to you need to have a specific keyword while writing an article. Why we're doing this, because we want the article to be able to rank on Google. Okay, so for this one, you say how to register for Longrich Business. Okay, let's say our keyword here is Longrich Business. You can also go to your Google Chrome. When you type in, there's this Google Chrome plugin I use called SEO Quick, and also keyword everywhere, or something. They call it keyword everywhere. Now, this plugin actually shows you related keywords that people are searching for. So you can see, how do I register with Longrich? You can write an article with this keyword. You can see Longrich packages. You understand? So you can write an article titled the seven Longrich packages that you need to know. Number one is important, something like that. Just make sure this keyword is distributed evenly in your article. It should show up like 3, 4, 5 times, depends on the number of text. You understand, the number of words in your article. So there are a couple of keywords. You see keywords, different keywords. So just choose any keyword, any of the keywords, and write an article. Make sure you write the article and make it feel natural. Don't just write stuff then jam pack it with keywords. Okay. So we're here. Longrich Biosciences is an amazing business. Is an amazing truth. Looking for a way to make money. I know this because I have been in this space with the past year and believe me, I have made over 1.5 million from this business. And today, article, I want to share with you what is David opportunity. Okay, all right. Is I don't want to write. If I go on, I'm going to waste too much of our time. We just have 15 minutes to make this video. So after writing your article, let me see if I can just copy something from somewhere. Let's not waste time on this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's copy something from here. So about Longrich. Let's just leave something from here and paste it. So you see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's take this. Let's just take this. And paste it here. So see, the what you copied now is the character is different from what we're using before. So you might need to just adjust it. So it's very easy to use this platform to create a site, because it's just like Microsoft Word. Like using your Microsoft Word. See the text link, you can see normal. See, everything is now equal. Okay. So if you want to add a link to any of your text, let's say you want to add a link, you want to link to your WhatsApp group here, here, you can just make this thing bold. Click on this link. You understand? And where it says which URL should this link go to, you paste your WhatsApp. Let me go to my group. Let me go to my group and copy the WhatsApp group link. This is how to copy it. So invite to group via link. So you just copy this link now. When you copy it, you come back here and paste it. Do you understand? If you want it to open in a new window, you click here. So click on it. You see it's highlighted. So when somebody is reading this article now and click on this thing, you understand? Let's say somebody is searching for Longrich Business and he lands on your article and clicks on this link. It will take him directly to your WhatsApp listen. So this, if you want to add a picture here, you can use this. You click on it, add picture. You can add picture. So let's just see. Let me look for a picture. Let me look for a picture. Okay, let me just see this one. So another thing to note is if you want to add a picture, make sure you use that same keyword to save the picture. You understand? It's also going to help you in your ranking. So this is basically how to. What's wrong? You cannot. Something is wrong. Uh, that's basically how to add pictures. I don't know what went wrong, but this add selected. Something is wrong with this. Let's see if we can use another picture. So you could not copy your photos to your blog. Okay, sorry. I think there's an issue, but that's just it. If you want to add a picture, you use this one. If you want to add a video, you use this. You can actually add a video from YouTube. Let's say we want to add this video. Let's quickly head to YouTube and copy the video URL I want to use. So let's say I want to use this create below this video. So just take it here, bring it here, copy it. See, it's showing up there. So you just select it and then tada appears. So let's publish this and see every other tool is just like using your Microsoft Word. It's just like using your Microsoft Word, um, your MS Word on your system. You understand? Every other tool. This one is for link. I explained to you. This one is for picture. This one is for video. This one is for emojis. This one is for numbering. This one is for bullet list. It's just like Microsoft Word. So once you're done with these things here, labels, you come here and say Longrich Business, Longrich Biosciences, Longrich, etc. So you just post it. Say these labels also help your article to rank on Google. So once you're done, you just click on update. Now let's go back to what our blog looks like and see if it has updated. So now you see the post is now live on the blog. Okay, post is now live on the blog. There's still a whole lot of work to do on this stuff. See the video that I added. Let's see if it will play. There's still a whole lot of work to do on this blog. So, but I'll be taking my time to update it more. I'll be creating another video to show you more of the things you can do with your free blog, and I hope this will be able to help you grow in your Longrich business. I have to take care of all this clumsy stuff. Something is wrong. In my next video, I'll continue with this so that you can learn about creating your free blog with a Google blogger, and I'll teach you how to create like a sales page. I'm going to look for that template. I hope I find it. If I find it, good for us. We'll be able to create like sales pages with your free Google blog. So I'm going to stop here right now, and I'll see you in the next video.